Building the green way. Investors are increasingly getting interested in sustainability. In 2020 sustainability report, sustainable assets recorded $35.3 trillion with a growth of 15% in the previous 2 years. According to Global Sustainable Investment Review, GSI Alliance 2020, these trillions of sustainable assets comprised 36% of all professionally managed assets across the study regions. In terms of construction, sustainability is usually translated in the first instance to building green. To this end, it could be of a great help to share some achievable green building solutions. Rule 1. Focus on the big picture. Integrating green principles into a building's planning and design process can generate 40% more savings and 40% better performance than simply adding green technologies to a traditionally planned and designed facility. Rule 2. Choose a sustainable site. Ideal locations for sustainable development include infill properties like parking lots and vacant lots, redevelopment sites like rail yards, and remediated brownfields to avoid contributing to sprawl and degradation of environmentally significant sites and to be near services. Rule 3. Do the math. To complete a successful green building on a standard budget, the project team must apply a cost-benefit analysis to each component before allocating funding and should incorporate the financial assistance, tax breaks, and other incentives offered to green building. Rule 4. Make the site plan work for you. Site planning can minimize the amount of on-site infrastructure like roads and parking lots, reduce earthwork, limit erosion, maximize sediment control, and provide easy access to public transportation. Rule 5. Landscape for savings. Landscaping is another cost-effective green tool. It is especially good at minimizing the buildup of heat from sunlight pouring onto dark, non-reflective surfaces. Covering them with green surfaces, which are metal lattice screens planted with vines or climbing flowers, will greatly reduce the heat island effect. Rule 6. Design for greater green. Companies can use a wide variety of techniques to cost-effectively design green buildings. A long and narrow building shape maximizes natural light and ventilation for workers. Operable windows and skylights enable natural ventilation in temperate weather. Rule 7. Take advantage of technology. Green building technologies help conserve and even generate energy. Companies can install motion-sensitive lighting sensors and individual climate controls in offices and at workstations. They can also purchase highly efficient HVAC systems that do not harm ozone. Rule 8. Save and manage water. Firms need to focus on water conservation because of its scarcity. They can install water-conserving irrigation systems and plumbing, plant drought-tolerant landscape plants, and use recycled, not potable, water for landscaping needs. Rule 9. Use alternative materials. Green building materials create a healthier workplace as they improve the air quality, which in turn prevents dizziness and nausea resulting from standard building materials and low air quality. Rule 10. Construct green. How you build is just as important as where and what you build. For example, recycling construction waste is part of the green process because the waste is not dumped in a landfill and recycling costs are much lower than landfill fees. Let's take advantage of COP27 momentum. Adopt green building principles, change how we construct and how use our workplaces. Visit our website www.doserve.com. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. DoServe Quantity Surveyors. Truly appreciating your business.